Cheers, thank you. I'm Nick, this is Sunbal. We've got Mike, Rishi and the real Radu, I should say, at the end there. And we're team PicLink. So we came up with what we wanted to do for our project is basically have a real world solution which we solve with software. And what we were setting about is trying to do an end-to-end kind of solution for a problem. The problem that we decided to pick was one using photography. So I used to be a photographer for a few years, and basically a lot of the problems or the things that used to take a lot of my time up was organising images. You know, if anywhere that you go, anywhere where you're taking large volumes of images and you've got to get them out to a large amount of people, it can be problematic or time consuming to say the least. So that was the problem that we were trying to do. Like it says on the slide there, current methods are pretty much inefficient. I mean, the software, we're aware that the software that can actually recognise faces and sort them into files, but they don't actually assign them to a user. So who is that person? Have they got an email address? All this kind of information that it doesn't help to assign them to that. So that's what we were trying to do. People are lazy. That's the last bit on this slide, which is true. Anything that will save time increases productivity, and that's what we wanted to do with this. The solution. So what we finally decided, I mean, when we first came around to actually look at it, we realised that there were issues. We wanted to take an actual desktop app, we thought, which would be integrated into a photographer's tools. They've got software desktop apps already, that Photoshop, Lightroom. So we thought another application that allows them to use them tools still and then use our application would be beneficial. So that's what we went for. So for a desktop app where a photographer can upload images in large quantity online, and that they're stored somewhere where a user is able to go and access them images later on. On the user side, we decided that we'd go for a web app that allowed users to upload an image, recognise the face, search the photographer's image, and then bring back a gallery of matched images that they're in.
This is a photographer's account, uploaded a bunch of images, and this is the app. And now Zumbal's gonna. It's a completely fresh new profile. She's going to take a selfie, and hopefully it works.
Right, so I'll show you first. Like at the moment I haven't taken any selfie for me. So at the moment the gallery should be empty because it can't match any images of me. Right, so let's see, it's blank at the minute, nothing. So if I go back to home and if I take my selfie, sorry, other way. Yeah. You can see me?
Yeah. Don't forget to smile as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully, yeah, it should be okay.
Yeah, it's good.
So I'm going to use this photo and see. You can see my profile picture there. So that has been added to my account. And now on the back end, it should be really matching all the pictures which I am in. So let's see the result. So gallery again. Ooh. So me and Radu. Me and our tutor, Anna, yay. And we in a group, and then, yay. And then this is me again. So they are all watermarked pictures, but if I want to buy them, I can get an unwatermarked version as well.
The advantage of it as well is like Mike was saying, the more images you add, so you can take another selfie, so you can log out, log back in, them pictures are still there in your gallery. You take another profile shot, it just increases the accuracy that it's going to match you. So basically every single time that you take another picture of yourself, the accuracy gets better as well.